Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan Rashapi da ke Rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, Lom Sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing persya ya ke Citizenship Amendment Bill jong ke Sarkar NDA. Hakani ke tahan cete lamingi, kat nang mi kisngi kala nang sothet, hakinang susnong jong ke jela kani ke tahan cete lamingi, jong kari India, nadu hakajing mod jong ke samla, hadu kirang ba bat ki bala khamsan karta rukumjo. Sakawai kajing persya ke bala pau ke dairu sana ki samla puli doktor, ki ba puli Regional Institute of Medical Sciences ha Imphal jong ke jela Manipur. Ki samla ki ba puli doktor hakani ke Jaka, ki badai nakani ke jela Meghalaya, kentop ikijai ben riau, nakani ke rilum khasi jantia badgaro, kilami ban persya jori ke CAB, hadian ba ke yeng dorbar jong kari ke Lok Sabha, kala menjor ban pelong ano ya kani ke bil.
Even the children, they are clapping hands, like they say like congratulations to their CM because they got ILP. I was like sitting there, I was wondering like when will or Don will get ILP.
You might think that we are here, we are just like this, who will hear us? But a small voice will count. So every one of us, we are united. So we are the younger generation who will be the leader of our own state. We have seen our leader who betrayed us, and let's not talk about them because we don't even want to talk about them. When they have the right to go to Delhi to ask ILP for Manipur, they don't care about our own state. It seems that we are neglected by our own leaders. We come together, we are united, we stand with our own people, we stand with our own state, that we will not let the CAB happen in our state anyhow.
I just want to let people to know that if you have one profit, you will have 100 losses. So I want all the Northeast brothers and all to condemn the CAB and to implement ILP. Thank you.
CAB!